Welcome to Easy Learning YouTube channel case. Today we're going to learn Vedic Maths. Topic is dotting subtraction. So before that we recall the dotting addition. So 7 above the dot is there means 7 க்கு topல dot இருந்தா it is addition. So it will become 8. If it is down it is subtraction. So 7 dot down is become 6. So it is considered as minus 1. So 7 dot is 6. Next 5 dot is 4. 3 we don't have dot, so it is as it is, right? 3. 6 dot 5. 7 dot 6. For subtraction the dot is in down. Next 2 dot 1 4 3 6 5 7 6. Next 3 2 5 4 5 4. 5 will become 4. Next we go for the dot method subtraction. 8 and 9 is possible to direct subtraction? Not possible. So keep the dot here. Then frame the 10 with a down number. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So add 1 to this number. So it becomes 9. Then it is subtract by 1, 2. Once again recall you. So 8 and 9 not possible to direct subtraction. So we're going to keep the dot here. So 9 10 frame பண்ணணும். 10 frame பண்ண add 1 பண்ண 10. அந்த 1 கொண்டு போய் மேலே 8ஓட ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9 வரும். அந்த 9 இங்கே ஆன்சர் எழுதுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண நம்பர் 2 எழுதுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 2 and 8 நாட் பாசிபிள். ஸோ டாட் வச்சுரும் இங்கே. நெக்ஸ்ட் 8ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணால் 10 ஃப்ரேம் ஆகும்? 2. ஸோ 2 + 8 is 10. அந்த 2 கொண்டு போய் மேலே இருக்க நம்பரோட ஆட் பண்ணுங்கள். இட் இஸ் பிகம் 4. ஸோ 4. So 2 dot minus means 14. Next 2 and 4 is not possible. Keep the dot here. So எந்த நம்பரோட ஆட் பண்ணால் 6 4 10 ஃப்ரேம் ஆகும்? 4 + 6. ஸோ 6 கொண்டு போய் 2ஓட ஆட் பண்ணால் 8. Next 2 and 3. This is subtract by dot 1 is subtraction. So 1 and 3 not possible. Keep the dot here. So frame 10 here. 7 + 3 is 10. So 7 + 1 is 8. How 8 is come? Dot subtract 1. So 1 + 7 is 8. Here 2 subtract by 1. 1 by 1 minus 1 is 0. Next 8 and 9 is possible? Not possible. Keep the dot here. So frame the 10 here. 9 + 1 is 10. So that 1 bring to the up number, add it. So it will become 9. Next 4 + 10 is 5. Subtracted by 1, 4. 4 + 6 is possible? Not possible. Keep the dot here. So 6 frame the 10. 6 + 4 is 10. So 4 + 4 is 8. Next subtract the 7. Subtract the dot 7. So 7 minus 5 is direct possible. 7 minus 5 is 2. Once again we recall. So below the number dot is there means it is subtraction. So 7 dot means 6. 5 dot means 4 3. Then go for dot method addition. So 8 9 not possible. So we're going to keep the dot in first number. Then we want to check the down number framing the 10. So 9 + 1 is 10. That 1 bring to the up number. Then it become 9. Write it 9. Then subtracting 1, write it 2. Then 8 5 8 minus 5 6 9. So it is 8 9 is possible? Not possible. So keep the dot here. So frame the 10 here. From that number bring up. Then add it. Then return 9. Then here subtract 1 4 and 6 not possible. So keep the dot here. Frame the 10 here. 6 + 4 is 10. So 4 + 4 8. Next 7. 8 dot means 7. 7 minus 5 is 2.